What's up guys, this is Tampatec, and if you have issues where you have a black blank screen on your TV, I'm going to show you how to fix that. First thing you want to do is make sure your PS5 is completely turned off. All the lights right here are turned off. It's not in rest mode, and what you do is unplug the power cord and the HDMI and wait for 1 full minute. That's a hard reset. If that does not fix your issue, next you can press and hold this power button until you hear a second beep. That's 1. And that's 2. Then you want to plug in the controller using the Type-C cable that came with the PS5. Right here, I get a message telling you to plug in your controller using the cable. And that's what we did. Go ahead and hit the PlayStation button. Then this menu will show up right here. Now if you get this menu, you want to choose option 2 and hit X to select. Then you can change your resolution. The PlayStation will restart. Then you want to select the resolution that is compatible with your current TV. Now if that does not work, you could try to change the HDCP. I never had to do that before, but maybe your TV is different and you can change that right here. Now if you don't even get this screen, then it can be an HDMI cable issue or an input issue. You want to make sure your connection is secure, and you want to look in here and make sure you don't have any bent pins. You want to look for any kind of like bent pins in here or right here. If they're mangled, you have to use a different cable. Also, if you have pets and you notice that your HDMI cable is chewed up, you want to replace the HDMI cable. If you have a switch like this or an amplifier that all your HDMI cables are connected to, you want to go ahead and unplug the power cord for about 1 full minute and then plug it back in and see if that fixes the issue. Also check all the connections and make sure all the connections are secure. If that still doesn't work, you want to unplug the PS5 cable from the amplifier or any kind of switch that you're using, and you want to plug it directly into your TV. If that doesn't work, plug it into a different HDMI port. Sometimes TVs have the side HDMI port. Try that one. If all else fails, unplug the power cord for your TV for 1 full minute and plug the power cord back in and see if that fixes the issue. Simply find the power cord for your TV. You can unplug it from the back of the TV or from an AC outlet. If your TV is wall mounted and you cannot get to the plug, then go to the circuit breaker and flick the switch. Look for the room that the PS5 is located in and flick the switch, wait a full minute and then flick it back, and that should hard reset everything. If this video helped you out, give me a big thumbs up, and if you know anyone that's having an issue with their PlayStation 5 where you have no signal on the screen or a black screen, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. Help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos.